Good morning. I hope you all are fit and fine. Police DAV Public School welcomes the students of Grade 3 to the virtual class of Environmental Science. Introduction. Vani is on her way to Ria's house. She follows directions given by Ria. She first turns left at the traffic signal. She again turns left at the second crossing and reaches Ria's house. Vani understands the importance of directions to reach at a place. Today you will learn about directions in chapter 11. Learning outcomes. Through this topic, you will be able to identify cardinal directions, locate directions with the help of sun rising in the east and setting in the west. Draw the diagram of cardinal directions. To start the topic, let's watch this video.
Last week, my neighbor invited us to the wedding of his son. Yesterday was my birthday. I invited my friends to my house. None of my friends have ever been to my house. So I had to give them directions to my house. Similarly, my neighbor had to give us directions as to how to reach the wedding venue. These directions are called map directions. Direction tells us where a place is and how to get to that place.
So why is it important to know the directions? Directions help us to reach a place without getting lost. और अगर हमें डायरेक्शंस पता नहीं होंगी तो हम रास्ता भटक जाएंगे और हमारा टाइम भी वेस्ट हो जाएगा. Now look at this map. This is the map of Jalandhar city. Let's find out the location of our school on this map. Here it is, Police DAV Public School. And here is your favorite place, Niku Park. Similarly, you can also find the location of your house on this map. Let's know about different directions. Common directions. Turn left, turn right, go straight ahead, go back. We use these words when people ask us directions. We can use hands to indicate common directions: left, right, front, back. Major directions. There are 4 main directions. They are north, east, south and west. The 4 letters N, E, S and W represent these directions.
North, south, east or west? Which direction do you like the best?
It's going north. It's going south. It's going north and south and east. It's going north. It's going south. It's going north and south and west.
North, south, east or west? Which direction do you like the best?
4 cardinal directions that I know. North, south, east and west we go.
There are 4 cardinal directions: north, east, south and west. North is represented by N, east is represented by E, south is represented by S and west is represented by W. Now you will see how to locate these directions with the help of rising sun. North, south, east and west are 4 main directions. We can determine these directions with the rising sun. Now stand with your right shoulder facing rising sun. Remember, the sun rises in the east. Now raise your right arm towards the rising sun, that is in the east direction. Now raise your left arm opposite to east, that is in the west direction. East and west are opposite to each other. Now you are facing north direction and behind you is south direction. North and south are opposite to each other. Now you can determine any direction with the help of rising sun. Remember, the sun sets in the west. Now one activity for you. आप अपने घर के सेंटर में खड़े हो जाइए और with the help of rising sun find out the 4 directions of your house. I will show you how to draw this map. बेटा इसको ध्यान से देखो, बिल्कुल आपने पेपर के ऊपर ऐसे ही अपने घर का रफ मैप विद कार्डिनल डायरेक्शंस ड्रॉ करना है. Also draw a diagram of cardinal directions in your notebook. Always remember, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. In the next video, you will learn about compass and how to locate directions with the help of compass. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. Have a nice day.